In this video, I'll show you how to link Instagram with YouTube channel. So after you open up your phone now, go and open now your Play Store or App Store and download this app as Casino YouTube Studio. After you download the YouTube Studio, all you need to do just now, go to your Instagram and copy the link of your Casino Instagram account. After you open Instagram like this now, tap on this profile. After you open your profile like this now, long press your hand on your profile like this and tap on this copy link. After you copy the link of your Instagram, now go back and open now the YouTube Studio app. Here is it now, YouTube Studio. After you open the YouTube Studio like this now go and sign in. As can see now, use the email address that you open your YouTube channel, as can see now. So after you see your YouTube channel in this section now, tap on this profile. In this section now, tap on this pencil. Go to this add links. So tap on this pencil icon under the links. So now tap on this add. So now type in Instagram in this section. After you type in Instagram in this section now, add URL. So now long press your hand on this section. Now long press your hand and paste in the link. Here is the link paste. Now here is the link of my Instagram. Now tap on this done. So tap on this save button now. So now I link my Instagram with YouTube channel. That's it guys on how to link your Instagram with your YouTube channel. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.